भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुता पदकमलं।
What is the difference between an incarnation and an avatar?
Avatar is incarnation. Avatar means incarnation in your dictionary is accepting some body, is that? But avatar, of course there are different grades of avatar. And avatar means one who comes, the real word is avataran, descending. Avatar means who comes from a higher sphere, higher planet. They are not living entities of this world, this material world. They come from the spiritual world. They are called avatar. So these avatar grades are different. There are Saptavish avatar, Guna avatar, Lila avatar, Juga avatar, so many. So avatar means one who comes directly from the spiritual world. And incarnation, of course, this avatar is translated with the word incarnation, but I think the real meaning of incarnation means who accepts a body. Is it not? So that incarnation, everyone accepts a material body. But avatar, there are avatar of Vishnu and avatar of devotees also. There are different grades of avatar. We will read it in the teachings of Lord Chaitanya, which is coming out.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.